Welcome to my presentation Exploring4Future. Prepare for the Planetary Science for All video contest. Since we are making science from Earth, it is natural to start this presentation from it, in order to introduce myself to you. So, I'm Gloria Tognon, and I'm a geologist deeply in love with planetary sciences. So much so that I started an interdisciplinary PhD course in space sciences, technologies and measurements. Currently, I'm going to start the third and last year of my PhD. My PhD project concerns the planetary mapping at different scales of atmosphereless terrestrial bodies, in particular of Mercury and the Moon, under the supervision of professors Matteo Massironi and Giampiero Naletto. My PhD is given by the Center of Studies and Activities for Space of Padova, which has been and still is highly involved in many space missions, some of which I had the opportunity to be let in. As concerns the Moon, I'm performing a small-scale mapping, focused on one crater. In my case, it's a Tsiolkovskiy crater, located on the lunar far side. For this crater, I'm performing a geomorphological mapping on the LRO WAC mosaic, a spectral mapping on the Clementine UV-Vis color ratio mosaic, and an high-resolution geological mapping of the southern plains surrounding the central peak by means of LRO NAC-derived TEMS and NAC images. To see the results of my small-scale mapping of Tsiolkovskiy crater, remember to follow my oral presentation in the MITM10 session. On Mercury, instead, I'm performing a large-scale mapping, in particular of Eminescu quadrangle, located on the equatorial region. In this case, I'm sharing the work with another colleague. Also for this mapping, I'm performing a geomorphological mapping by means of 4 different monochrome base maps with different illumination conditions. Here is the BDR base map. I'm also performing a spectral mapping on 2 different color base maps. Here is the enhanced color base map. And at the end, the information coming from both of these mappings will be coupled in order to accomplish a chrono-stratigraphic interpretation of the area. The results of this PhD project highlight that there could be different types of mappings according to their final aim and the level of information they need to supply. For the Moon, the small-scale mapping will allow the characterization of Tsiolkovskiy crater as a possible landing site for a future lunar mission, while the large-scale mapping for Mercury will allow to take a step forward the realization of a series of 1 to 3 million regional maps for Mercury, and to define possible scientific targets for the Colombo mission. Here is the end of my presentation. Many thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to contact me if you want to discuss about my topics or to give suggestions. Bye!